I was going through a hard time in my life, and my fiance suggested I go back to school and start a new career path.
In 2019, my husband became disabled, and it was either sink or swim, so I decided to swim.
My experience in the program has been wonderful. Coming from maybe not believing in myself, and then meeting Joni and her helping me and guide me to each step of the program, it was an absolutely wonderful experience.
My experience in the program was wonderful. It was a great learning experience. I'd worked in medical for 25 years previously, and it's just where I felt comfortable going into again.
Worker retraining is a great place to start. There's so many options of things you can go back to school to learn to do, and the college just guided me, helped me find all the financial aid and everything I needed, and here I am, all graduated and starting a new career.
Go for it, do it. Don't hesitate, you know. It's a great program, and you're never too old, never too old, never too late.